Hey there, it's Ashley with WTI, and I've been using the EDELHAUS 3-piece cutting board set. Honestly, it's been a great upgrade for my kitchen. I have recently gotten rid of all of my plastic cutting boards, and I love that it comes with 3 different sizes, so I'm not using one giant board or one really small one for every task. The boards are solid and well made. The acacia wood has a really nice finish that looks great on the counter. The deep juice grooves are actually useful when cutting meat or fruit because they help keep the mess contained. And I love that it comes with a storage stand, so they're easy to keep organized instead of stacked in a cabinet. These are hand wash only, which I don't mind at all. I like to hand wash my cutting boards anyways. And if you oil them every so often, they'll stay looking great for a very long time. So overall, if you're looking for a durable cutting board that works well for everyday use and you can even serve charcuterie on it, then I would highly recommend these. And that is my point of view.